Geospatial imagery is increasingly present in our daily lives. Detailed, high-resolution imagery is routinely collected by commercial companies, launching Earth observation satellites into space. Consumers have embraced this high-resolution virtual world, and the demand for better resolution, up-to-date imagery has driven data volumes and collection capability up exponentially. This exponential increase in data presents considerable challenges for storage, processing, and dissemination. In a highly competitive market, imagery providers seek cost-effective methods to produce high-quality end products derived from imagery in record time.
The main challenge is the large amount of data. If 10 years ago you could do a project for 5,000 scenes, because the resolution was relatively coarse, was 10 meter, you can go now at half a meter, so that means you have to multiply by a factor of 200. The customer still has the same expectations. They want the project to be done in the same amount of time.
Demand for faster processing has led to new technology being developed. For the video gaming industry, graphical processing units, or GPUs, are specialized processors that can offload intensive graphical rendering from microprocessors and are commonly used in video gaming applications.
Just the cost of the hardware coming down and the size of the hardware coming down means that a lot more companies are able to work in this market with these huge data volumes.
2 years ago we started looking into accelerating our algorithms, and we've looked not only at making them multi-threaded but using other hardware. So we looked at GPUs from NVIDIA. That was very, very successful because we've shown about 60 times speed improvement.
It all started with the desktop software. We had a variety of different software suites, and the first step was really to make a dedicated effort to turn that into a modular system where all of the algorithms could be pulled out and accessed in a variety of different ways.
In response to this market need, PCI Geomatics has developed innovative solutions for high-quality image processing.
What we have here is an enterprise-grade configuration of the GXL, and this is capable of processing terabytes of data per day. What this translates to is that you can essentially map an entire country in a single day. So for this particular system, there's an operating system, there's multiple processing nodes, there's data storage, and an uninterrupted power supply. The system can also be deployed as a distributed desktop environment. So for example, this particular desktop unit contains 2 NVIDIA GPUs as well as Xeon quad-core processor. We also have a mobile solution. For example, this laptop, it contains 1 mobile NVIDIA GPU card, as well as an Intel Core 2 quad-core processor.
The GeoImaging Accelerator, or GXL, is PCI's highly modular geospatial data processing system. GXL offers a streamlined, intuitive user interface. The Job Processing System, or JPS, provides information on processing nodes and their respective load balancing, in addition to detailed information on the number of parallel jobs that are running. The main panel in the JPS is used to submit new processing jobs, as well as track progress on submitted jobs. A graphical representation of job status is also available on a separate tab, showing the extents of images being processed and their current status.
As an example of how fast a GXL system is, if we were to take an UltraCam image from VXL, process that on a standard desktop system, we'd be looking at 5 minutes to actually do an ortho. If you were to take that same hardware, process it using the GXL, we're looking at anywhere from, I'd say, 9 to 10 seconds. The main benefits of the GXL, in addition to the speed and automation, are the opportunity for a customer to expand into new production areas.
Cotesa, a Spanish geospatial company, turned to PCI Geomatics to implement a scalable system to efficiently process thousands of images economically.
Cotesa has considered the wide spectrum of image processing products in the marketplace. We selected PCI Geomatics due to the high quality of the results provided by Geomatics algorithms. The solution that has been implemented has provided Cotesa with substantial increase in our processing capability and throughput.
PCI Geomatics introduced GXL to the market in April 2009. GXL has been deployed to several organizations and clients in Canada, India, China, Spain, South Africa, and South Korea.
For a private company to come along and compete successfully in several cases, in many cases, at the with the same metrics, with the same throughput and the same quality of output, if not better, it's very significant. Part of that has to do with the overall cost of the system, as I mentioned, but the investment that we've put in, the time we've taken, the effort we've taken to build a high-performance system, the rewards are being paid now.
So from there on, we just kept moving ahead. We realized that, yes, that is the future. We need to be competitive, we need to be fast in the market. It was a natural step.
GXL, accelerate your production today with the GeoImaging Accelerator.